Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI. It comes finished in the gorgeous Cortina white colour, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 16,888 miles. Rolling on 16-inch alloy wheels with the 10-spoke turbine design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive. Driver Assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio with a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.